How to change Facebook password without current password. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change your Facebook password if you have forgotten your current password. So without any delay, let's hop into it. Firstly, click on Settings and under Account Center, you need to click on Password and Security. Then click on Change Password and go to your Facebook option. Now if you have forgotten your current password, click on Forgot My Password. And then Facebook will direct you to a page where you have to try methods to recover your account. Now you can choose any one of the option, that is to receive the SMS from Facebook via WhatsApp or SMS. Once you click on it, you will receive the verification code, and by entering that you can easily reset your password. Once you have reset your password, use it in place of current password and provide the new password which you want for your Facebook account. And that's all. That is how easily you can change your Facebook password without the current password. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.